Hi guys, my name is Angelique Saucetta and I teach garden class, and I'm also the sponsor of the Harris's Green Team, which is our garden team that meets after school. So in my class, in my green team, students are going to get to have hands-on experiences in our school garden. This is a full year elective or a semester elective, and like I said, it's also a after school group. So again, my name is Mrs. Saucetta, and my email is asauce1@neisd.net. So the Harris mission statement: we are dedicated to promoting academic excellence by challenging all of our hawks in a safe and emotionally supportive community while cultivating growth and responsible citizenship. Um, Make sure you take some time and join our PTA if you don't mind. It's only $6.50. You can scan the QR code. To stay connected, it's a really good idea to make sure you're checking the principal's newsletter she sends out every week. Just a reminder that in garden class, our grades are based on participation, and make sure that your student is checking their grade on Skyward just to make sure that everything looks good. You also have access to your child's Skyward, so you can have family access for you, or your child can just go through their Launchpad and check their own Skyward. So what do we do in the garden? We get our hands dirty, we're going to work hard, we get a lot of sunshine. We grow produce that we get to enjoy and they will take home. And we're going to spend a lot of time maintaining the garden, learning about how to use the garden tools appropriately, taking cuttings, and we'll talk a little bit about plant life cycles, reproduction, the importance of pollinators, and then even teach them ways that they can grow produce at home. But most importantly, we work together as a team in the garden class. So expectations, the kids have to be using the tools carefully and responsibly, stay on the tasks they're assigned, work together to get the job done, make sure they're using gloves and washing their hands, and of course always wear the appropriate shoes and clothing. Um, so we do use the Texas A&M extension to get our planting dates and information. Here's a couple pictures from our garden. So some of the things we talk about are pollinators, the wildflowers that we work really hard to maintain here in Texas, and then how you can grow produce at home from your old produce. We also talk about different gardening methods such as lasagna gardening, core gardening, raised gardens, square foot gardening. And we even talk a little bit about how plants can communicate with each other, and how they're all an important part of our ecosystem. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Again, my name is Angelique Saucetta, and my email is asauce1@neisd.net.